everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Kunjit and you're watching Travers with Sharma. Today we are creating a summer makeup look because summer is already here. It is already so hot, so I thought why not to take the moment, the opportunity of summer to create a makeup look out of it. And I've taken the inspiration from Pinterest, so I will add like 2-3 images where you guys will see there's a soft sort of makeup which includes nudes and pink shades, where that is for your eyeshadow, for your cheeks, for your lips and all, and we have all those colors. So I thought this will be so ideal for me to create such look. And I also thought that this look can also be ideal for your vacation, even if you are going for beaches or mountains or wherever. You don't need to like have like a heavy coverage on your face. So that is what we're going today. If you guys are interested in watching me more, you can also check out my Instagram, which I have mentioned over here, and follow me over there. And let's get started with today's video. I'm gonna directly start in with my eyes because that is what I do first before applying my base. My eyes first, we need to apply concealer. So let's start with that. Let's start with the concealer. So I go in with my regular concealer and I mix this orange one because my dark circles are too much, so I need to apply like little darker concealer than a lighter one to make it look more natural, and that's what my idea has always been. So I'm gonna mix both of them on my hand only. So this is how I've taken the concealer. Now I'm gonna mix it from my finger only and just look at the shade. It has turned a bit darker. Can you see it's like looking more natural? You might not probably see how dark my dark circles are, but they are actually very dark. I always use my fingers for my concealer and never used a brush because I feel like it does not give me that proper coverage. Look at how amazingly it is matching with my skin tone. Because if I have applied just this one, itna अच्छा नहीं लगता ये. Okay, now that we're done with the concealer, we're gonna wait for some time before we apply anything on our eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with like a very brownish sort of eyeshadow. So I'm thinking of going in with this one, taking this sort of color. I made it little light. Even for eyeshadow, I feel like not applying it with brush because at times the particles literally comes over here. Can you see a very light pigmentation, and that's how I like it. Now for the eyeliner, I'm going to use this Kajal from Faces Canada, and I'm gonna smudge it very little with the brush. Going in with like a very thin layer of eyeliner with the Kajal. Can you see that? This is how I want it. I think it's fine like this. So I have this brush which is like for basically for eyeliner. So I'm gonna use it to smudge it a bit. Looking a little bit smudgy but not like properly. I want to highlight eyes because on Pinterest also they have highlighted bit of their eye. I think we're done with the eyeliner finally. Also I feel like applying some powder under my eyes because they might start freezing now. I'm using the Faces Canada's Weightless Stay Matte Compact in the shade Natural 02. Finally, it's time for the base, and for base I want to use this one from Dot & Key, which is their tinted sunscreen, because it's gonna give me the lightest coverage possible. My face is not gonna look cakey or any sort of patches will come, because that's what happens at times if I use a good coverage foundation on a skin tint. But I'm just going in this one as it also has sunscreen ingredients. It will be good for my skin as well. I'm just gonna direct. Oh god, I'm taking like too much. I have to use it. So it's like a moisturizer only, but can you see a little bit of very light coverage it has? So I'm okay with that. That's it. And I think now I should go in with lashes because I want to highlight my lashes. For lashes, we are using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is viral for a reason. I also have this one mascara from Maybelline, which is their Hyper Curl waterproof mascara. Waste of product. I have stopped using it, and then I thought why not to use a good one. So I was like, let me get this, even if it's a little expensive than this one. I've got the Sky High mascara, which is famous for such an amazing reason. I've tried it and I'm loving it. So let's just look at the wand. I mean, guys, it is so ideal for my 4-5 lashes, because I don't have like a very thick or fuller lashes, but this literally makes my lashes go up without curler. Because my lashes are so bad, they always want to come down. Without eyelash curler, they cannot go up. It's okay if you already have good lashes, no need to apply an eyelash curler. Just go in with your mascara. That's it. I feel like excitement में मैंने ज़्यादा ही mascara लगा लिया है, वो साथ में हो गई है सारी lashes. Can you see my lashes now? I think they are much better than previous one. Mascara is something on which I can literally spend an hour to make them go up. Last coat I'm applying. I have never been this much satisfied from applying a mascara, and it's just only because a good mascara always makes your lashes good. I have finally understood that. Okay, now we're done with everything. Now we're gonna directly go in with our blush, for which I'm way too excited. So I'm thinking of using an old blush today, which is this one from Inside Cosmetics. I think so. Yeah, this from Inside Cosmetics. It is in the shade 05 Strawberry Drip. It will be so ideal because I feel like this is way too long lasting. I'm gonna apply like a good amount of... Today I wanna have the blush blindness, definitely. I'm gonna take my brush. I think मैंने nose पे ज़्यादा ही लगा लिया है because of the idea of blush blindness. Wow, this is actually feeling like a summer, as if I've got a good tan and over that I've applied like a lot of blush, having that sun-kissed look. So I'm liking it, but I'm only looking at my lashes because, oh my god, I'm loving it. Now I'm thinking of going in a little bit with my under eye, so I am taking this brush again. I'm gonna clean it up because it has turned black. I'm gonna apply it like on my lower, like this much only. Also, how can I forget, I have lashes on my under eye, on my lower line as well. I have not applied. My overall eyes are looking so different, but I think we're good with the blush. I'm going in with a brown shade of lip liner from Mars, which is their Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Peachy Glow. It is such a smooth lip liner now. I'm gonna fill my lips like this. Today we are using a lipstick from Maybelline. It's a little bit dark shade, but I'm gonna try to make it a little light. This is the Maybelline's Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade 11 Made Easy. Like a very, very chocolatey sort of brown shade. I'm not gonna apply like on my upper lip. It's going in with the look also. I'm loving the blush on my face. So we are going in with the Mars lip gloss in the shade 01 Nude. This has been out of stock since this whole year. I'm not able to restock this. It is going to be empty within like 2 or 3 applications. Now I'm gonna apply this. This is a very subtle pink sort of shade. It's very nude, and I have not seen such good lip gloss shade in affordable category. So I want Mars to please restock this shade because I want it. It is literally empty. I'm not able to use it properly, but and lastly, we're gonna go in with the powder on all over my face because it's glowing too much. Just to grab those areas. Now it's fine. Now it's looking much better. So this is how the final look has turned out. Let me know how you guys have liked it, because I love experimenting right now with makeup and stuff. I do feel like this could be an ideal summer look because I don't have to do like too much on my face. Even if I want to skip like an eyeshadow or something, I can easily do that. But I will definitely want to focus on my lashes, and that is what I love during this whole process. I also love that how much I have applied like so much blush today. I have not done that in the past. So that is what something I explored today, which I absolutely loved. Let me know which part you guys have also enjoyed and which product has been your personal favorite, or if you want to do something like this for your summer makeup look, do check out my Instagram if you want to see me more. Also, if you want me to create like any sort of different makeup look, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.